Yeah, hi Kenneth, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your laser. I pulled the old one out and it's dead as a dodo. So yeah, obviously that was a fault, as you already knew anyway. Um, Overall condition, mate, it is pretty mint in there. It's really good, nice and clean. So it hasn't had a million hours in a smoky pub, which is which is great. But yeah, you know what I mean. So I'm guessing the actual unit itself is probably in really good condition. So yeah, so basically here you go. I'll push the play button and see if we can get some sound out of this. Right, let's turn that volume up. So yeah, as you can see, it's working fine without any errors. Plays through all the discs. In all honesty, you shouldn't really get any errors on this anymore now. So should last a good few years. So alright, Kenneth. Well, thank you very much anyway, and please leave feedback when you get it back and you're all happy, because it helps others like yourself get a good repair. At half the price others are charging. So we just try and help as much as we can. It's just like a little extra we do. So there you go. Thank you very much.